What's up, y'all? It's been a while. I've still been fishing, but I'm back though. And today we out here at River. Nice little spot. And we gonna be fishing with worms and worms, a bobber, and some paddle tails. So yeah, let's see what we catch. Man, I done finally caught a bass, bro, off a worm. I'm going out the bluegill. Okay, got a bass, man. Finally. Look at it. It's definitely small. RIP to the clogs though. No cap. Fucking them up today. Got a big old bluegill. Hey, I think I might have found a honey hole. It's a pretty decent little size bluegill. Just caught another fish. This is the third species today. I only caught one of each though. I think this is a creek shrub. You see him? Just caught a way smaller creek shrub. A lot smaller. Bro, this just scared the shit out of me. Just caught another little creek shrub. I'm about to move back to the spot I caught the bass, and I'm about to do it. We didn't really catch much else. It's just still a lot of river, still a lot of places I ain't fish. But yeah, we're gonna be back, and I appreciate y'all for watching the vid.